When we talk about health, especially as we grow older, there's one topic that holds a special place: caring for our bones. They are the foundation of our body, our support, and their strength affects not only our mobility, but the overall quality of our lives. As we age, our bones, like everything else in our body, need more attention and care. One of the most important elements for maintaining their strength is calcium. Calcium isn't just a mineral that nourishes our bones. It's a true friend that helps us keep the freedom to move, supports our health, and allows us to feel confident at any age. It's especially important to remember calcium after 60, when the risk of osteoporosis increases, and our need for this element becomes greater. But where do we get this calcium? Which foods truly help our body get what it needs? The answer lies in simple, familiar things we can easily add to our diet that will make our lives better. These are dairy products, yogurt, cheese, milk, as well as leafy green vegetables like spinach and broccoli, almonds, and seeds. Imagine that every time you enjoy a plate of fresh spinach or a spoonful of creamy yogurt, you're not just tasting delicious food, but also making a small investment in your health, in moving easily and without pain, savoring every single day. Before we dive in, let me ask you something simple. Are you watching this because you're ready to feel stronger, move more freely, and protect your bones as you age? Or maybe you're here for someone you love who deserves that kind of care? If so, drop a quick comment below that says, "Here for strength." It lets us know this message is reaching people who truly care about living well after 60. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Longevity Tips. Every day, we share practical, trustworthy insights to help older adults stay strong, independent, and informed through every stage of life. As we journey through life, our bodies change in many ways, and that includes how well our bones hold up. Calcium plays a starring role in keeping our skeleton strong and resilient. It is the building block that keeps our bones dense and less prone to fractures or breaks. But it's not just about how much calcium we get, it's also about how well our bodies absorb and use it. That's why pairing calcium-rich foods with other nutrients, like vitamin D, is so important. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium more effectively, making every bite count. When we talk about dairy products, many of us immediately think of milk. And rightly so, milk has been a trusted source of calcium for generations. A glass of milk, a cup of creamy yogurt, or a slice of cheese can provide a significant part of the daily calcium your body needs. These foods are not only rich in calcium but also packed with protein and other vital nutrients that support bone health. Yet, for those who might be sensitive to dairy or prefer plant-based options, green leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli step in as wonderful alternatives. Though the calcium in greens is absorbed a bit differently, including these veggies regularly in your meals can greatly contribute to your bone strength. Don't forget about almonds and seeds, little powerhouses loaded with calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats that nourish your bones and your heart. A handful of almonds or a sprinkle of chia seeds over your salad or yogurt can be a tasty and easy way to boost your calcium intake. It's important to remember that caring for your bones with calcium-rich foods isn't about strict diets or complicated rules. It's about simple, gentle choices you can make every day to nourish your body and support your well-being. Think of your daily meals as opportunities, moments to choose foods that bring you joy and at the same time build strength from within. Maybe it's starting your morning with a creamy bowl of yogurt topped with crunchy almonds and fresh berries. Or perhaps enjoying a comforting vegetable soup filled with tender broccoli and spinach for lunch. These small habits can create a powerful foundation for your bone health. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, but with the right nutrition, we can slow this process and keep moving with ease. The pleasure of eating wholesome foods that are good for you is a wonderful gift. It's a way to honor your body's wisdom and your life's experience. Every spoonful of calcium-rich food is a step toward a future where you continue to dance, walk, garden, and embrace the activities you love, without being held back by discomfort or fear of injury. Sometimes, the simplest habits have the greatest impact. Adding a handful of almonds to your afternoon snack or sprinkling chia seeds over your favorite salad may seem like small actions, but over time, they add up to real benefits for your bones. Almonds, with their rich calcium and magnesium content, work quietly yet powerfully to strengthen your bones and support your overall health. Seeds like chia and flax are tiny but mighty, providing not only calcium but also omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote bone repair. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can feel like a daily act of kindness to yourself. It's a way to say, I choose health. I choose to care for my body. Every time you make these choices, remember, your journey to strong bones isn't a race, it's a steady, mindful process. With patience and consistency, these nourishing foods become your allies, supporting your independence and vitality for years to come. It's also comforting to know that many of these calcium-rich foods come from nature's simple pantry, foods that are both nourishing and delicious. Imagine a colorful plate filled with fresh spinach sautéed gently in olive oil, alongside steamed broccoli sprinkled with a little bit of cheese. These everyday meals become moments of care and pleasure. For those who enjoy dairy, creamy yogurts offer not only calcium but also probiotics, which support digestion and overall wellness. Choosing natural or low-sugar options keeps these treats wholesome and beneficial. If you're concerned about lactose intolerance or prefer to reduce dairy, plant-based milks fortified with calcium and vitamin D can be wonderful alternatives. Almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk provide a gentle way to nourish your bones without discomfort. No matter your preferences, there's a path filled with tasty options to help you meet your calcium needs and protect your bones as you embrace each day fully. As we embrace these nourishing foods, it's important to remember that calcium works best when it's part of a balanced lifestyle. Alongside eating well, staying active plays a vital role in keeping your bones strong and healthy. Weight-bearing exercises like walking, light strength training, or gentle yoga encourage your bones to maintain their density. Movement signals your body to build and repair bone tissue, making the calcium you consume even more effective. Together, good nutrition and regular activity create a powerful partnership, one that supports your independence and allows you to enjoy the things you love with confidence and ease. So, as you savor your next meal rich in calcium, remember to move your body gently and often. It's all part of the beautiful rhythm of caring for yourself as you journey through life. Many people wonder if it's ever too late to start caring for their bones. The beautiful truth is, it's never too late. Every positive choice you make today helps build a stronger tomorrow. Whether you're adding a glass of milk to your breakfast or enjoying a handful of almonds as an afternoon snack, you're nourishing your body and investing in your future mobility. Your bones have an incredible ability to respond to care, even later in life. This is not about drastic changes or overwhelming routines. It's about small, sustainable steps, gentle, consistent habits that bring joy and health to your daily life. Remember, every nourishing bite and every moment of movement is a celebration of your resilience, wisdom, and the richness of your life experience. It's also important to understand that calcium absorption can be influenced by other factors in our diet and lifestyle. For example, foods high in oxalates, like spinach, contain calcium but also substances that may reduce how much calcium our bodies can absorb from them. That doesn't mean you should avoid these greens, far from it. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for your overall health. The key is balance. Combining calcium-rich foods with a variety of other nutrient-dense options throughout the day helps your body make the most of what you eat, including foods rich in vitamin D, such as fortified milk, fatty fish, or safe sun exposure, enhances calcium absorption. Also, avoid excessive caffeine and salt, which can increase calcium loss through urine. Moderation is the gentle path to better bone health. Taking the time to learn about your body's needs and responding with care shows great respect for yourself and your well-being. Let's take a moment to talk about the beauty of making these nourishing foods a part of your daily routine. Preparing a meal rich in calcium doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It can be as simple as adding a sprinkle of shredded cheese to your salad or mixing a spoonful of chia seeds into your morning yogurt. Many find joy in experimenting with recipes that incorporate these ingredients, finding new ways to enjoy spinach, broccoli, almonds, and dairy products. Cooking becomes not just a task but a form of self-care, a creative expression of love toward your body. It's comforting to know that you are actively doing something to strengthen your bones, to protect your freedom, and to embrace the days ahead with vitality. Every small change adds up, and the habit of mindful eating grows into a powerful force for your health. As you continue on this journey of caring for your bones, remember to listen to your body. Sometimes, it may need a little extra support or a change in approach. That's perfectly okay. Our bodies are unique, and honoring their signals is an essential part of maintaining health. If you ever feel unsure about your calcium intake or bone health, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They can offer guidance, recommend supplements if necessary, and help you develop a plan tailored just for you. You have the wisdom of your life experience, and now you have the knowledge to pair with it, creating a powerful combination for your well-being. Taking gentle steps, day by day, nourishes not only your bones but your spirit as well. It's inspiring to think that by choosing calcium-rich foods and embracing gentle movement, you're joining a community of people who prioritize their health and happiness. People who, like you, understand that aging is a beautiful journey, one filled with opportunities to grow, learn, and care for themselves. Sharing your experiences and recipes with friends or family can bring joy and motivation to everyone around you. Sometimes, the simplest encouragement from a loved one can make all the difference in maintaining healthy habits. Remember, you're not alone on this path. There are many others who share your values and are walking alongside you, discovering new ways to live fully and vibrantly. One of the most wonderful aspects of caring for your bone health is how it connects to your overall well-being. Calcium-rich foods don't just strengthen your bones, they nourish your heart, support your muscles, and boost your immune system. By embracing this wholesome nutrition, you're caring for your entire body. This holistic approach empowers you to live with energy, grace, and confidence, embracing each new day as a precious gift. Every choice you make to include these nourishing foods is a loving step toward a healthier, happier you, a you that continues to shine brightly through all the seasons of life. As you continue this beautiful journey of self-care, it's helpful to remind yourself that patience and kindness go hand in hand with health. Sometimes, progress feels slow, and that's okay. Your body is adapting, growing stronger one step at a time. Celebrate the small victories: a day without discomfort, a walk a little longer than before, a meal filled with nourishing ingredients. These moments build a foundation of strength and resilience that carries you forward. Remember, the choices you make today ripple out into your future, crafting a life filled with freedom, joy, and vitality. It's also important to embrace the joy that comes from caring for yourself. Preparing a simple meal filled with spinach, broccoli, or a creamy yogurt isn't just about nutrition, it's a moment of connection with your body and your life. Take pleasure in these rituals, knowing that each bite brings you closer to a stronger, healthier you. This mindful approach to eating nurtures not only your bones but your spirit as well. You deserve to live fully, to move freely, and to enjoy every day with vitality and peace. As we come to the close of this reflection on calcium and bone health, remember that your journey is uniquely yours, shaped by your experiences, your choices, and your care. The foods you choose, the movements you make, and the love you give yourself all combine to create a strong foundation for a vibrant life. Embrace each day with gratitude for your body and the wisdom it carries. With calcium-rich foods like dairy, leafy greens, almonds, and seeds as your allies, you are nurturing your bones and supporting a future full of possibility. Now I want to hear from you. Have you included any of these bone-boosting foods in your regular meals? Were any of them a surprise to you, or a reminder of something your body's been asking for? Let us know in the comments. I read every one, and your experiences, questions, and tips could help someone else right now. This isn't just a video, it's a growing community of people who believe aging can be powerful, informed, and full of vitality. Let's learn from each other. Let's grow together. If this video gave you even one helpful idea, give it a thumbs up. It helps others find this information when they need it most. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Senior Longevity Tips. We're here every day with actionable advice on nutrition, movement, mental clarity, and simple choices that lead to a longer, more vibrant life. Whether you're here for your own well-being or supporting someone close to you, you've found the right place. And before we wrap up, let me say, thank you. Thank you for showing up for your health. Thank you for being open to change, and for choosing knowledge over uncertainty. You are the reason this message matters, because every informed choice you make today leads to a stronger, steadier tomorrow. Thank yourself for every gentle step toward health. Your bones, your spirit, and your whole self will thank you in return. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.